Welcome back to the Checkout Guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to bulk edit products in your Shopify admin panel. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, you need to go to your Shopify admin panel, then click on product section. Here, as you can see, I have already added a lot of products. You can select your products, then click on bulk edit. So now all the options are there like description, product media, tags, and status, product category, product type, vendor, template, base price, weight, physical product, country of origin, target gender, size, age group, sleeve length type, color, top length type, neckline, care instructions, fabric, outwear, clothing features, scarf shawl style. We have a lot of things that you can add it that. If you need anything else, then click on columns and from here you can add that. Now I will tell you how we can edit anything. For example, if we want to add description for this product title, so here I have added description for that. But you can't add anything for the sizes like medium, large. You can't add for that. If you want to add this for plate scarf, then you can also add that. Then you can also add the product media. And you can also tag the products. And if you want any products to be in archived or draft, then you can change that. Like I am selecting this product for the draft. And you can also select the product type like top. Then you need to click on save button. Now products are saved and your changes are and you have edited your changes. So that's it for the day. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy selling.